Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Rondevo if you have forgotten to do so. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser in which you have forgotten to log out. Now in the address bar, type in rondevo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the Rondevo website directly and into your homepage. Now from the homepage, you can see various profiles that you can scroll through and start chatting with. Now if you wish to log out from your account, click on your profile at the top right corner and you will find the logout button at the very end. Go ahead and click on it and now you will immediately be logged out from your account on Rondevo and taken into the login portal. Now if you wish to log back in, you can simply enter your email address and your password and click on the login button and you will be logged into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Rondevo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.